Looking for a lunch bag that can keep your food fresh, organized, and ready to go no matter where your day takes you? The Carhartt Deluxe Dual Compartment Insulated Lunch Cooler Bag promises to deliver just that with its rugged design and smart features. Whether you're packing for the office, job site, or a busy day on the move, this lunch cooler is designed to keep your meals cool and your gear neatly stored. What sets this lunch cooler apart is its dual insulated compartments. The main section is roomy enough to hold a full 6-pack of drinks, keeping everything chilled for hours. Above that, a separate insulated top compartment offers extra space for fruits, veggies, or additional snacks, perfect for keeping everything fresh and organized. Plus, a front zippered pocket is just the right size for utensils, condiments, or even your phone. Built with heavy-duty rain defender water-repellent fabric, it stands up to spills and weather, while YKK zippers, metal hardware, and triple needle stitching ensure long-lasting durability. The lightweight design, weighing only 0.7 pounds, comes with both a top handle and an adjustable shoulder strap, making it easy to carry wherever you go. One user shared how this lunch cooler exceeded expectations, packing a hearty breakfast and lunch for a long workday, including soup, chips, drinks, and even extras like a breakfast burrito and salsa. Despite concerns about size, there was still room left over, enough to pack dinner too. That kind of space and versatility makes it a standout choice for anyone who needs reliable food storage without bulk or fuss. If you're tired of lunch bags that don't hold up or can't fit everything you need, the Carhartt Deluxe Dual Compartment Insulated Lunch Cooler Bag is worth a look. It combines tough construction with smart organization and enough room for a full day's meals. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your lunch game and keep your food fresh, no matter where your day takes you.